Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper of the year 1988. So let's start. As cool as a cucumber. It means extremely calm and composed, especially in stressful situations. इंतहाई पुरसुकून और मुरत्तब ख़ास तौर पर दबाव वाले हालात में. Example sentences. Despite the challenging circumstances, she remained as cool as a cucumber during the entire presentation. To have your cake and eat it too. It means to have the benefits of a situation without sacrificing anything. यानी किसी भी चीज़ की कुर्बानी के बगैर किसी सूरत हाल के फ़वाइद को हासिल करना. Example sentences. He wanted to quit his job and still receive a full salary, trying to have his cake and eat it too. In a pickle. It means in a difficult or troublesome situation, in a quandary or a tight spot. यानी मुश्किल या परेशानकुन सूरत हाल में, ख़ास तौर पर परेशानी या तंग जगह में. Example sentences. She found herself in a pickle when her car broke down in the middle of nowhere and she had no phone signal to call for help. Take the cake. It means to win a prize or be the best at something, often in a negative sense, implying an unusual or extreme situation. यानी इनाम जीतना या किसी चीज़ में बेहतरीन होना अक्सर मनफी मानों में इस्तेमाल होता है, गैर मामूली या इंतहाई सूरत हाल में. Example sentences. In the talent show, his bizarre performance really took the cake, leaving everyone astonished. Sell like hot cakes. It means sell rapidly in large quantities, usually referring to a product that is in high demand. यानी तेज़ी से और बड़ी मकदार में फ़रोख्त होना आम तौर पर उस प्रोडक्ट के हवाले से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जिसकी ज़्यादा मांग हो. Example sentences. The latest smartphone model is selling like hot cakes since its release. As flat as a pancake. It means completely flat or having no noticeable bumps or irregularities. यानी मुकम्मल तौर पर फ्लैट जिसमें काबिल-ए-दीद बेकायदगी नहीं हो. Example sentences. The West Desert was as flat as a pancake with endless stretches of no sandy terrain. Take something with a grain of salt. It means to be skeptical or not completely believe something, considering it may not be entirely accurate or true. यानी किसी चीज़ पर शक करना या किसी चीज़ पर मुकम्मल यकीन न करना इस बात की वजह से कि ये जो चीज़ है ये मुकम्मल तौर पर या ये जो मालूमात है दुरुस्त नहीं है. Example sentences. When he told me about his incredible adventure, I took it with a grain of salt, knowing he tends to exaggerate. Like two peas in a pod. It means extremely similar or nearly identical in appearance or behavior. यानी ज़ाहिरी शक्ल या तर्ज अमल में इंतहाई ममासिलत रखना या तकरीबन एक जैसा होना. Example sentences. Jane and her sister are like two peas in a pod. They even finish each other's sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.